नमस्कार बच्चों, आज हम सीखने वाले हैं हमारा मैथ्स का फर्स्ट चैप्टर इंट्रोडक्शन टू ज्योमेट्रिकल फिगर्स। इस चैप्टर में हम स्टडी करने वाले हैं क्वाड्रिलैटरल्स, रेक्टेंगल, स्क्वायर, ट्रायंगल एंड 5 पीस स्टैंडग्राम। तो हम पहले देखेंगे कि क्वाड्रिलैटरल्स किसे कहते हैं, रेक्टेंगल किसे कहते हैं, स्क्वायर किसे कहते हैं, ट्रायंगल किसे कहते हैं और उनकी क्या प्रॉपर्टीज है। हम क्यों उनको स्क्वायर बोलेंगे, क्यों रेक्टेंगल कहेंगे, ये हमें देखना है। तो आपको तो पता ही होगा, आप डिफरेंट शेप्स देखते हो, आपके आसपास डिफरेंट शेप्स होते हैं। क्या आप मुझे बताओगे आप कौन से शेप्स रोज देखते हो? जैसे सर्कल हम देखते हैं कि नहीं। मून कौन सी शेप में होता है? सर्कल। हमारी अर्थ कैसी है? सर्कल। सूर्य कैसा है? सन कैसा है? इन सर्कल शेप। वैसे ही जैसे हम घर पे हमारा जो डाइनिंग टेबल होता है शेप में है रेक्टेंगुलर, हमारा मोबाइल रेक्टेंगुलर। तो हम ऐसे डिफरेंट शेप्स रोज देखते हैं। स्टार, ये भी एक शेप है। डायमंड, ट्रायंगल, ये भी डिफरेंट शेप्स है। तो चलो हम आगे की स्टडी करेंगे, उनके हम प्रॉपर्टीज समझेंगे, उनके क्या प्रॉपर्टीज है, हम क्यों उसको स्क्वायर कहेंगे, क्यों रेक्टेंगल कहेंगे। नाउ लेट वी सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन। लुक एट द पिक्चर्स बिलो, आइडेंटिफाई द ज्योमेट्रिकल फिगर्स, draw it and write its name. Now we have to identify these pictures. कुछ शेप्स दिए हैं और उनमें कौन सी फिगर हमें दिखती है वो आइडेंटिफाई करके यहाँ पे फिगर ड्रॉ करनी है और उसका नेम हमें नीचे लिखना है। तो शुरू करें पहले से। तो ये है मॉनिटर। मॉनिटर कौन सी शेप में होता है? रेक्टेंगुलर। तो इधर फिगर का नेम क्या आएगा? रेक्टेंगुलर। और उसका नेम हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे रेक्टेंगल। ये है कैरम बोर्ड। कैरम बोर्ड के सभी साइड्स कैसे होते हैं? इक्वल होते हैं। तो ये जो इक्वल साइड्स है तो इसे हम क्या कहेंगे? स्क्वायर कहेंगे। तो हमने यहाँ पे ड्रॉ किया स्क्वायर और यहाँ पे इसका नाम लिखा स्क्वायर। नाउ सैंडविच, द शेप ऑफ द सैंडविच इज द ट्रायंगुलर। तो अभी हम यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करेंगे शेप ट्रायंगल और यहाँ पे लिखेंगे ट्रायंगल। आफ्टर दैट दिस मोबाइल is in which shape? Obviously rectangular. So यहाँ पे हमने ड्रॉ किया रेक्टेंगुलर और यहाँ पे हमने इसका नाम लिखा। What shape is it? Rectangle. Now this one is circle, means this shape is the circular shape. So we have to draw here circle and the name of that shape is here we have to write. Now we see the properties of quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means what, students? The shape of 4 sides means what? Quadrilateral. जिस शेप में 4 sides होते हैं उसे हम quadrilateral कहते हैं। How many edges does the surface have? Surface मतलब क्या हो गया? सिर्फ ये ऊपर का हिस्सा, जो ऊपरी एरिया है, जो ऊपर का एरिया है उसे ही हम क्या कहेंगे? सरफेस कहेंगे। How many edges does the surface have? 4. So write here answer 4 edges. 4 edges. Now, how many corners does the surface have? How many corners does the surface have? Also 4 corners. So write here 4 corners. 4 corners. Now, what is the shape of the surface of the table? What is the shape of the surface of the table? टेबल का ये जो सरफेस है इसका शेप कौन सा है? सो टेल मी स्टूडेंट्स। चलो हम अभी देखेंगे हमारी नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी और उससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस। नाउ लेट अस स्टडी रेक्टेंगल। दिस इज अ रेक्टेंगल। A rectangle has 4 edges and 4 corners. 4 edges and 4 corners. Now, the opposite sides of a rectangle are of equal length. Now, this property we are going to study by an activity. Take a paper and you have to fold it in opposite direction. After that, what we are observing, this side and the opposite side are in equal length. Look here, these two sides are in equal length. Now, similarly, we have to fold this paper in the middle and look, is these sides are also equal or not? Look here. Look here. This side and this side is also equal in length. Means what? Opposite sides of this paper are in equal length. Means this paper is in which shape? It is a rectangle. By this activity, what we observe? We observe that the opposite sides of rectangle are of equal length. These opposite sides are of equal length. Now let us see square. Square has also 4 edges and 4 corners, and all edges are of equal length. This is the property of square. Now this property we are going to study by an activity. Look, this is a square sheet. Now we have to check all these edges are in equal length or not. For that, what we have to do? First, fold this paper in the middle and check are in equal length or not. Yes, these both sides are in equal length. Similarly, what we have to do? We have to again fold this paper. Look here. On the other side, now these sides are also equal. Now check it by folding it on the corner. So, to fold it on the corner, what we have to do? This corner we have to fold on this corner, opposite corner. So, fold it. Yes. Now, check. Yes, this corner and this corner is also exactly falls on each other. Similarly, we have to check the this remaining two corners. Yes, this corner is also exactly falls on the opposite side corner. By this activity, what do we get? By this activity, we understand that all sides are of equal length. Because of this property, we are telling this shape is square. Similarly, we have to do next activity by using this sheet. Now let us see triangle. Triangle has 3 edges and 3 corners. 1, 2 and 3. 3 edges and 3 corners. Look here. This is also triangle. This is also triangle. This is also triangle. By this square sheet, we can also make the triangle. Look here, student. This is triangle. How many edges? 1, 2, 3. And corners? 1, 2, 3. So triangle has 3 edges and 3 corners. Now we have to complete this table. Now look here. All these are the figures. Now here we have to write down name of the figure. So what is this? This is the quadrilateral. So write it. Why we are saying this is a quadrilateral? Because it has 4 sides and 4 corners. So now write down how many edges? 4. 4 sides means what? Edges. 4 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of corners? 4. Now, what is this? Rectangle. So, right here. Rectangle has also 4 edges and 4 corners. Square. Square has also 4 edges and 4 corners. First write here name of the figure. Square. 4 edges and 4 corners. Now what is this? Triangle. So write here triangle. Triangle. Triangle has 3 edges and has 3 corners. Now this is circle. Circle doesn't have any corners and any edges. So what we have to write down? Here edges are 0 and corners are also 0. And write here name. Circle. Do you understand this, students? In all over chapter we studied already about this. Now we go to next activity. Very interesting activity is that we have to make a puzzle of triangle, square and rectangle. So let's start. This activity is about the tangram. Look in your textbook and see how to cut that paper. You have to cut that paper as shown in the textbook. I already cut that paper. So, with the help of these pieces, we have to answer of this question. Now let us see how many triangles are there in your tangram. Look here. First of all, this is the quadrilateral. This is a square. This is a triangle. This is also a triangle. And this is also a triangle. So, how many triangles are here? 3 triangles are here. 1, 2 and 3. After making 5 pieces, we made 3 triangles. So, write here our answer. How many triangles are there in your tangram? 3. How many triangles? 3 triangles. Are all the triangles alike? Alike means what? Same. Not. All triangles are not equal, not same. So we have to write down here no. Are all the triangles are not alike? Or we can say no. No. Look here, student. These two triangles are the same, but this triangle is not same. So we are writing here no, because this question is about the all triangles. So we have to write here no. Can we join two of the triangles to make a square? Yes, this is possible. Look here. After joining this, we can make a square. Look, students, this is a square. After joining two triangles, we can make a square. So write here, can we join two of the triangles to make a square? Yes, this is possible. Can we join two of the triangles to make a big triangle? Not. This is not possible. So write here, no. How many squares are there in this triangle? How many squares, student? One square. So write the answer. 1. How many quadrilaterals? In this diagram, how many quadrilaterals are present? Quadrilateral is also only 1. So this is our tangram. And tangram related, all these are the question answers. Students, in this chapter, we studied all related concept of geometrical figures. If you have any doubt or queries, you write it in the comment box. नेक्स्ट चैप्टर आप तक पहुंचने के लिए आपको चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना पड़ेगा। और आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा आप कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर लिखिए और वीडियो को शेयर कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए। तो चलो मिलते हैं हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट चैप्टर के साथ। बाय, टेक केयर।